Globalization and faster transportation have some positive impact on the world economy. Businesses are becoming more international and traveling has become more accessible. If you're a busy executive who's always traveling, or a passionate tourist who loves to see many places, then you would understand the real value of an actual noise-cancelling headphone. Many companies are producing noise-cancelling Bluetooth headphones, but few can make headphones like Sennheiser. The company is producing noise-cancelling headphones from 1984. Today, we've selected Sennheiser PXC 550 wireless NoiseGard adaptive noise-cancelling Bluetooth headphones for its fantastic sound quality.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Sennheiser PXC 550 wireless Bluetooth headphone is an ergonomically designed over-ear noise cancellation headphone. The headphone pads are made of high-quality materials and the ear cups are rotatable that make the headphones super comfortable. Its lightweight frame is collapsible so that you can fold and carry it effortlessly. The touch control functionality along with the voice assistant make it super easy to use the headphone. You can take a call or change music or control volume using your fingertip on the right ear cup. PXC 550 connects automatically when you unfold it and pause the music when removed from the head. The device represents the signature sound quality of Sennheiser with incomparable precision and balance. It perfectly captures the low-end, vocals, mid-frequency and high-end sound that ranges from 17 Hz to 23,000 Hz. It creates 110 decibels of sound pressure and manages to keep the total harmonic distortion below 5%. NoiseGard adaptive noise cancellation technology creates a quiet environment and ensures clear listening to voices and music. The headphone provides an option to change the music setting and adjust your listening preferences through its CapTune app. The headphone comes with a long-lasting battery that lets you listen to music for 30 long hours, and charging the battery takes only 3 hours. You can even put it on charge using the cable and listen to music simultaneously. The product has a weight of 227 grams only. If you're a frequent traveler and looking for a great noise-cancelling headphone, the PXC 550 could be a great gear for you. It's time for us to look into the user ratings and find out what users are saying about the specific headphone from Sennheiser. The headphone has got 4.2 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 3,599 user ratings. It's got high scores for its battery life, sound quality, material quality and comfort. Here are some comments from the users. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "I hold sound quality near the top of my list. Noise cancelling is well done, adjustable, able to go from 'I can't be wearing closed back cans, am I?' to complete isolation on a plane." Another person gave 5 stars and said, "I can say without hesitation that the new Sennheiser PXC 550 is the best Bluetooth headphone available today. Best audiophile quality, best comfort. Surprisingly, it does not have the dark, warm Sennheiser sound signature. Instead, it's bright, clear and highly detailed." We found some dissatisfied customers. Among them, one person gave 1 star and said, "I love these headphones. I really did. The sound and wireless performance plus features for the price was extremely appealing and it's great. So why am I giving it 1 star? Because of the repair cost of the headphone." That's all we have on the Sennheiser PXC 550 wireless NoiseGard adaptive noise cancelling Bluetooth headphone for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.